are going to make a non-Newtonian liquid. Okay, so you just need water and cornstarch. So we will make cornstarch mud with them. So we need water first. Careful, the water can spill easily. Now the cornstarch, a whole cup. Okay, this is going to be kind of hard. Oh. Okay, and remember, put everything in there. Okay, okay. So let's do this. We need to. Oh no! My mom is going to be so angry at me. It's because I made a spill. Let's shake it off. There we go. Get it off. Okay. Okay, now we can stir. Stirring. Stir. Stir. Stirring. It's still not the cornstarch mud, okay? Oh, it's kinda hard. Eesh. Still not the cornstarch we need. Bro, this is hard. Ugh. Gross. Come on. Like that. This. Okay. Let's put that and there and that and that. There we go. Here we go. Stirring. I switched the tools is because, well, it's kind of hard. Okay. Well, ish. Ugh. Ugh. What the? This is kind of hard. Daddy, I think I need some help. Thank you, Daddy. I will hold the bowl. Stirring. Okay, Daddy. Do you think that's enough? Um, can I help you? No, it's okay. Okay. This is. Okay, let's shake it off. Let's keep on stirring. Stirring and stirring. Yeah, like that. Put some salt. Put some, put some more cornstarch. Okay. Do, do, do. The non-Newtonian liquid is getting hard. Oh, not again. Let's keep on stirring. It's hardest because it's a non-Newtonian liquid. When you do certain forces like punching, it will feel like a solid. Shake it off. Shake it off. Off. Okay. We are doing good right now. Like that and that. Do, 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 do. Oh, I think it's ready. It's ready. Okay, let's give it a test. My man will do it first. It's kind of hard. Like that. Oh, here is the cornstarch. I need to get up. Here we go. Here's the cornstarch mud. It's kind of getting hard. It's because it's a non-Newtonian liquid. Oh god. Gosh, this is hard. Stir, 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 stir. Okay, let's get all of this cornstarch mud out. Do, 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 do. Keep on stirring. Keep on stirring, 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 stirring. Keep on stirring, 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 stirring. It's kind of hard. And I think it's ready. Look. Okay. I think I can. I think I can make like here it is. Let's try. Uh, let's try punching it before. Yeah. Look. It feels like a solid. Look at that. It's so cool. Okay. Do 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 do. Come on. Come on. Oh, gross. I'm trying to make a ball here. Come on, let's grab some cornstarch mud. And let's, oh, no, it won't. It won't. I need to keep on moving so it can feel like solid. Oh, 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 no, oh. It didn't go as planned. It didn't go as planned. Oh, ew. Gross. Bro, what is that? Come on. Pat. Okay. Ugh. This is gross. Well, bye guys. I'm gonna see you next time. And I'm gonna wash my hands right now.